Hello everyone, so let's do our next exercise to read the digital input. Okay, so here are the micro switches which I have connected to my Arduino board. This switch is connected to pin number 4, this switch is connected to pin number 7, and this is connected to pin number 9, and this switch is connected to pin number 5 of my Arduino board. Okay, and this LED is connected to pin number 2, pin number 3, and pin number 8. Alright, okay. Now we're going to read the signal of this digital input in our LabVIEW. Alright, and it's a digital input, it gives only two values, either 0 either 1. Okay, so for that, go to your block diagram. Here's my block diagram. Now, first of all, draw while loop. Here's my while loop, add its stop condition. Okay, now add initialization, Arduino initialization, and Arduino close. Right, so first of all you need to declare the pins. Now we're going to read the digital input first, so go to Arduino board and Arduino library and go to set digital input output pin. Okay, before connecting visa resource, let me create its control for COM port. Alright, okay, now connect its visa resource of Arduino initialization to Arduino set digital input output pin function. Okay, now you have to declare the pin. Now let's say pin number 4. Okay, pin number 4 means this switch. Alright, and switch is your input component, so I'll declare this pin as an input. Alright, okay, suppose if you want to read another switch, let's say pin number 5, which is connected to pin number 5, and go to again set digital input output pin. First of all, connect your Arduino resource and another out. Now declare its pin, which is connected to pin number 5. Pin number 5 is this switch. Alright, sorry. Now its mode is input mode, so I declare it as an input. Okay, now we want to display its result in front panel. Here's my front panel. Okay, let me adjust it. Okay, so for that, go to Arduino and select your digital read function. Okay, now first of all connect your Arduino resource, another out. Now which pin you want to read? First of all pin number 4. Okay, pin number 4, and it will display your result. So I'll write here pin 4 status. Okay, so now you also want to read pin number 5, so now connect Arduino resource first and another out. Declare pin constant, which is pin number 5. Okay, so create its indicator also. Alright, now rename it pin 5 status. Alright, so Arduino resource and error out. So that's it. This is my programming part. Now go back to your front panel. Oh, here's my front panel. Here is pin 4 status, pin 5 status. Okay, here's my COM port, here's my stop. Okay, now let me increase its size first. 24 is enough. Okay, now let's change its color to red. Okay, alright, first of all connect your Arduino board. Find your COM port, which is COM 6. Now hit run. Okay, so my first this push button, sorry, this micro switch is connected to pin number 4. Okay, now it is off. If I press this button, it will give result 1. Okay, so here your result is 1. And pin 5, it will also give the result 1. Okay, so that's how you can read the digital input from your Arduino board. Okay, that's it. Now let's turn on a LED by pressing this button. Let's turn on this LED which is connected to pin number 8. Alright,